In this video, I'm going to talk about reasons why your Pi KYC is still on pending. The thing is that if you know the reason why why your KYC has not been approved, you can easily correct it and get yourself approved. The reason why I can talk about this because I'm a Pi validator and there are certain criteria we check for if we are looking at somebody's KYC. Before your KYC is being approved, there are things we check for. So I'm going to tap on the retake tutorial so that you guys can see what actually need for you get. As you can see, the first criteria is your documents. If the document you upload, if it is matches, first thing first, if it matches with the document of the country. For example, you upload a US ID card. We are going to check is if the ID card is right, if it is correct type, it is a genuine coin, it is coin, it is valid, and it is clear. So if you upload a document or an ID that is not valid for a particular country, then they will not approve. So for this particular one, right, I'm going to tap on no, and I think the answer right here is incorrect ID. As you can see, the ID type does not match the one on the picture, which means that the ID card for America there is no what the person is upload. So that's why it did not approve. That one was wrong. So the same thing right here. This particular one is correct. So I'm going to tap on yes, tap on next. Other reasons why your KYC may be pending is if it is unclear. As you can see right here, this is an example of a document that the person snapped, or an example, an illustration of an unclear document. So I can simply tap on no and unclear document. So what this means that if you upload a document that is not very clear, you will not be approved. Other things is mismatched face. Maybe the image on the document, the passport on the document is not the same on the person yet. So if the image on the document is different image on the person, like the ones the person used on the live video, they're not going to approve it. Also, if the image you upload is not clear, you can see right here, this is an example of the image in person's ID, but this is what the person uploaded in the live. So I simply put an unclear photo as the answer because the person's image does not match. And also your liveness check if they ask you to smile or shine your teeth, those kind of stuff so if you not do, like, they are using to check for liveness. There's some kind of persons that will upload they will record, they use their phone to record on the image from another device. If you do something like that, you will not be approved for KYC. So I'm taking this tutorial to show you guys what you need to know, and also the name on your ID. If the name matches. So for me, right, we have this person named George Lucas, whereas this is the native name and the name on the ID, so it matches. I'm going to tap on yes, I'm going to tap on continue. If the name on the ID does not match, they won't approve it and so I think this one matched too, so I'm tap on yes. So I've done this before, I've taken this tutorial before, so I just want to do this to show you guys. So let's check this. Based on the driver license for United States, is the first name of the person in the document count. So as you can see, right, if the name matches to these are the things they actually check. So I'm going to this should be the last one. As you can see, the date of birth of the person. As they're asking, the date of birth on the document is, the date of birth person submitted is 1983, 4th of November, and the one on the ID is this 1/11/60, which does not match. So you can put what does not match. So these are the things they actually check. So how do you now apply for Pi KYC after you have found out what might be the possible reason why your KYC has not been approved? I would have shown you guys, but my Pi browser, the support portal on my Pi browser no longer opens. I don't know the reason, but follow this step, it still works and you can still use it. So it is very much easy. There's an image that you can actually use to do this. So do the same steps I followed and it worked for me. The first thing is for you to open your Pi app, click on profile. Once you click on profile, then you have to click on the menu button, click on profile, then you just have to copy your use your username. Copy your username first. Ensure you know your username. Username will be here, and ensure you update your email address. If your email address have not been updated, if your email address not updated, ensure you update your email address. Try to verify your phone number. Once I've done that, the next step is simple. Simple, come to this place that says support portal. Click on support portal. It's going to open up. Then the next thing you're looking for is for you to click on need a request. Need to raise a request. You get contact us. If you not see that part, you can simply on the search bar, you can simply search for KYC. You take it to KYC in email request. This is what we should be looking at. KYC in email request. So once you take to the KYC in email request, the next step you should simply do is simply to select form. Step is simply select form, and the form you will be selecting is the Pi KYC get. So select the Pi KYC form and you take you to this particular page. Take to this particular page. So your verification method, the method used to verify your Pi account, if it is phone number and email, I'm going to check phone number and email. Now this place is going to ask you if you remember your Pi password. Tap yes if you do remember. Then your country of residence, I'm going to upload it. The next step is going to ask you your phone name, if it is Android or iPhone, then this specification or version, you can check that on your phone to get that. It's going to ask you prior to application if you have any issue before you apply, and simply put no, none. Then these particular steps, this particular one, application when submitting the KYC application, they encounter any step, you can simply put no on this one. Then this particular one is what is important. The KYC review, they're going to ask you when did you did the Pi KYC, when did you submit for apply for KYC this. So you can simply put you don't remember or stuff like that, or if you remember the period when you submitted for Pi KYC, you can simply put it in this place. You don't remember and you can simply put I don't remember. Then on this page, it's going to ask you request for pending KYC application. Why do you think your Pi KYC application is still pending? If the first option is you submitted a wrong type of ID, the name you use for the KYC application is different for the name you use for the account, or your ID document was missing some of the following information. So depending on the reason why you think your KYC is still pending, from all what I listed, the major reason is that your image is unclear, you uploaded wrong ID, the ID does not match, the date of birth is not visible, or if you are from Nigeria, you use the paper NIN, not the plastic. If you use plastic NIN, it's going to work. So you can simply select the reason why you think on this particular place, so select it as applied. Then on this place, this is for validator, so you should leave this unchecked. Then it's going to ask you to put in description. You can simply put in that you explain what you think went on, that okay, you put in wrong ID, stuff like that, for over how many months, and you want them to either approve you or give the chance for you to reapply. So you can add screenshot if you feel like, but if you don't feel like, you can leave that out. You can tap on the send to submit your to submit the complaint, and within a day or two they're going to go through it, and if you check your KYC status again, you'll be given the chance to do what, to reapply for KYC, and by then use the right ID and ensure you do the liveness check very well. So guys, this is how you can go about this, and if you find it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon.